Hello Taurus, and welcome to this video. Welcome to Tauracle, a channel for Taurus sun signs and oracle, tarot, and intuitive guided messages. Today I wanted to do the reading out in nature. So I grabbed a few things, including Zeus. I have Zeus here. I don't know if he's our little mystical owl. Why are you trying to get it to... There he is. There's Zeus. Anyways, he's going to look off into the distance while we do our reading. So, I forgot my cards. So we're going to do an intuitive nature reading today. So the way I do nature readings, and today is December 27th, 2025. The way I do nature readings is I'll use divination through things that I see in nature. From the clouds in the sky to shapes in the trees or branches or leaves. And so I'm going to start picking up on what I'm feeling and things that I see. And my head keeps wanting to go up towards the clouds. So we're going to go up towards the clouds. And I'll try to hold as still as possible. There we go. And maybe you can use your own intuition to see what you see as well. I'm picking up travel. I'm picking up travel right away. Somebody's traveling or going to be traveling very soon. And it feels like it's a more of a distance than just across town. Some kind of freedom. I see a eagle's head in the clouds. I see freedom. More freedom coming. Whatever it's happened, it's going to be moving kind of quickly, like these clouds today. Or Diesel running around in the forest. Seeing a mermaid. See her right there, laying there with her fin up on a rock? Or it could be a silke. Maybe you're going to Scotland. I don't know. I'm seeing a buffalo laying down, comfortable, abundance, knowing that all your needs will be met and you'll have everything that you need to survive and want to survive. I'm realizing right now that I really like doing this divination with the clouds. Wow. Somebody's sad. I don't think it's you. Could be you. That someone has to go. That someone's leaving. Somebody's sad that somebody's leaving. But know that it'll be okay, because everybody's got their journey, and we can't hang on to people for our own selfish reasons. Somebody needed to hear that message. What else do we have here? There's a new cycle beginning. Well, there's always new cycles beginning. I don't want that to sound cliche. But there's a new, let's get more specific. There's a new cycle beginning in your career. And it feels like it's something that you have always wanted or have thought about, or maybe it's something you forgot about. There's a new cycle happening with your career and the way you like have cleared some old negative beliefs around money. You're looking at money in a whole new perspective. You're spending it in a whole new way and everything. I feel like it's whatever's happening, it just says to go with the flow. Don't try to force anything at this time, because it's whatever's going to happen is going to come into your life really easily, naturally, and at the exact time it's supposed to come in. Here goes Diesel. So trust the process. I'm getting to trust the process. Let go of trying to force something or to make something happen. Just maybe do more meditation or prayer and allow the universe, God, Creator, to naturally, just effortlessly bring it into your life. So take a deep breath and feel a feeling of gratitude, knowing that it's on its way, whatever it is. So that's something, that's a very exciting message for today. Well, I hope you guys have an amazing, lovely day. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, this reading. Let me know if you have, if you saw something in the clouds or if it resonates with you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.